Tom, Nancy, Diane. I have called this press conference here today to announce to the world my latest invention. I'm very excited about it. You see, it will cure all known diseases, yes, provide limitless power, and make spinach taste like cherry cheesecake. And best of all, it is completely safe.
Fruitcake, your latest invention just exploded.
Yes. Actually, I do have another invention, which is rather impressive. I would love to tell you about it, you see.
He's got to wherever he goes, And when you see him coming, well, everybody knows. Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head. He makes a show with his kitchen crew, the TV guy, tell him what to do. And when you see him coming, well, everybody knows. Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head, Mr. Potato Head.
Yo-ho, yo-ho, yo-ho.
And that's the opera show, my fabulous TV bosses. What do you think? Pretty tubular, huh?
Well, opera's a little, highbrow. And we're thinking we want a preschool show. Something for 2-year-olds.
Oh, I got just the thing, baby. Ta-da! The Uncle Jolly Potato Head's Jolly Fun Show. Cute, cuddly antics for 2-year-olds of all ages.
Oh, yeah!
Okay, party people, here's the scoop. Nora and Aaron, our fabulous TV bosses, hated the opera show worse than head lice.
Well, I told you it was just a little too highbrow.
Don't quibble. Anyway, now they want us to make a preschool show.
Woo! That'll be fun! I love elephants!
Potato Bug, what do elephants have to do with a preschool show?
Oh, excuse me. I thought he said zoo.
Yeah. Point is, I want you guys to start thinking about what kind of stuff we can do for preschoolers. I figure this will be easy.
How the heck do you do a show for 2-year-olds?
Who's clueless? That's right, it's me. Well, we gotta teach them how much fun it is to share and stuff.
But it isn't fun to share. It's fun to clutch things greedily to your bosom.
Please don't say bosom. Makes me uncomfortable. It's the ham monster!
Behold, I have rebuilt my beautiful creation.
Don't eat us!
Don't eat us! Don't eat us!
Oh, relax. He's much more gentle this time. I have given him the brain of a 2-year-old child.
Now, where did you get the brain of a 2-year-old?
Trust me, Baloney, you don't want to know.
Stop the presses! Hold the phone! Abort the fax! Oh, the ham monster's exactly what we need. If he has the brain of a 2-year-old, we can use him as a test audience. We'll make him watch our show, and if we can do something he likes, we'll know we'll be a hit with preschoolers. Tubular, baby! Ow! Hey, knock it off! Ow! Ow!
Gentle, Hammy! Gentle, Hammy!
Oh, hi, Potato Bug. Have you ever seen the World Wide Web before?
No. Ooh, sweet cheese and crackers. They have everything. Ooh, look, a website that's all photos of the undersides of tables.
Oh, what's this? Ancestors are us. Are you descended from royalty? Type in your name to find out. Sounds worth a try.
Oh, it has always been my ambition to see the bottom of every table in the world. So much gum, so much dust. It's like a beautiful dream.
Congratulations! You are descended from the Egyptian pharaoh, King Amenhotep, and are the rightful queen of Egypt!
great and glorious queen, upon whose beauteous visage I am not worthy to gaze.
No, you're not.
I present to you the riches of the world. Do you desire something else?
12,000 sugar cream pies and a date with Leonardo DiCaprio.
So let it be written, so let it be done.
Queenie! I said, can you believe it? You really are a queen.
Huh. Kindly refer to us as Your Highness. And kneel in our royal presence, you filthy peasant.
Ooh, yes, Your Highness.
And now, the Uncle Jolly Potato Head Jolly Fun Show.
Jolly, jolly fun. Fun that is jolly. We'll have jolly fun. Oh, by gosh, by golly. Fun that is jolly.
Jolly, jolly fun.
Don't be melancholy. There'll be fun for everyone. Fun, jolly fun. Jolly, 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 jolly fun. We'll have fun by the megaton.
More fun than George Washington.
More fun than Sir Isaac Newton.
More fun than Christine Jorgensen.
More fun than Attila the Hun. Fun, jolly fun!
Tubular, I think he digs it. Oh no, the ham monster's crying. Well, we gotta
Not
try
in any
something
way
else.
good.
Oh, I'm sorry. Hammy! Guess who's coming to visit? It's Chuckles the funny monkey. I said Chuckles the funny monkey. Chuckles the funny monkey. Funny monkey. Oh, where the heck is Queenie? She's supposed to be here in the monkey costume. I'll go find her.
Hear ye, announcing the arrival of a most serene and royal majesty, the rightful sovereign of Egypt, Queen Sweet Potato.
Kneel before your queen, insignificant vermin.
Queenie, there you are.
It's true. Queenie really is a queen of Egypt. A company called Ancestors Are Us told her that she's descended from King Amenhotep.
Well, I don't care if she was descended from King Kong. Now knock off this nonsense.
We are not listening. Talk to the hand.
Oh, now you did it. The hand is up. She won't listen to you unless you call her Your Highness.
Prithee, your Highness, wilt thou deign to assist us poor peasants with our little TV show?
Hear ye! Queen Sweet Potato proclaims that she will grace your show with her presence. Let the people rejoice! Huzzah! Huzzah!
Well, la-di-da, and tell the Queen of Egypt to get her rear into the Chuckles the Funny Monkey costume right now.
Impertinent swine! We will not play a monkey. Servant, take us away from these offensive pigs.
Aye.
Hey, Baloney, she's loopier than a phone cord, huh? Baloney?
Funny monkey! Funny monkey!
Oi! I will now perform for you me latest musical onslaught. It concerns a subject very dear to me heart. Cheese! Right, kind of salty, never faulty. It's the vein of Jean-Paul Gaulty. It's the best of all, but high in cholesterol. Cheese! Oi! Thank you. You're the light of my life. Okay, back to the show.
And now, back to the Uncle Jolly Potato Head Jolly Fun Show.
Hammy, guess what time it is? Oh. It's story time with Mr. Giblets.
Today's story is Little Red Riding Hood. Once upon a time... boring! Where's the good part? The woodsman, yes, the woodsman. His mighty axe falls. Yes, chop, hack, chop. Take that, you filthy wolf. Revenge is the dish best served cold. Chop, hack, chop, hack, chop. Taste the rain of my cold steel.
Baloney, this isn't working. Let's think of something else.
Sorry, blood splattering all over the ground. Grandma devouring.
Now, what would entertain a giant ham monster with the brain of a 2-year-old?
Giant ham monster with the brain of a big purple dinosaur? Oh, and I suppose you got a better idea, mister. I'm staring at you like you're a knucklehead.
Hear ye! Announcing her most queen, sweet potato.
We do hereby proclaim that today is Queen Sweet Potato Day. And on this festive occasion, each of you will pay us tribute with 10 pieces of gold and a sugar cream pie. And on your knees, you swine!
Listen to me. You are not the Queen of Egypt.
We're not listening. We're not listening. Neener. Bow! Bow before your ruler or off with your head.
Not my head. That's where I keep my face. Don't hurt me.
Now, Hammy. Gentlemen, don't eat the countertop. No eating, Daddy. No eating, Daddy.
Oh, Dr. Fruitcake. Dr. Fruitcake. We need our preschool show to be educational and entertaining to the ham monster.
Yes.
Is there anything that he, likes?
Well, he likes collecting stamps. Actually, he likes eating stamps. I believe it's the glue.
That's it! PH! We can have a visit from the mailman on this show. He could bring us stamps from all over the world.
Color it done.
Halt! The stage is now the royal chamber of Queen Sweet Potato. None shall enter.
And, exactly how do you plan to stop us?
I warn you, I am master of the ancient art of bug fu. Hi-ya! Hoi! Kumbaya! Ha!
Hey, this isn't supposed to be locked. Who has the key?
Queen Sweet Potato got the key.
Fine. We'll shoot in the kitchen. Hey, Hammy! Guess who's coming to visit? Oh. Mr. Mailman!
Oh, boy! I can't wait!
Oh. Howdy, Mr. Mailman. Why are there 10,000 men with guns outside my kitchen?
Subjects, let it be known that your queen has declared war on Spain.
What? We have to evacuate the premises!
Please don't say evacuate. Makes me uncomfortable. Who's crazy? That's right, it's you! You can't declare war on Spain, Queenie!
Wait a minute. I've got an idea. PH, open the door.
This is an idea?
Trust me.
All right. Hey, good thinking, my meaty chum. Remind me to give you a raise.
You don't pay me, sir.
Don't quibble. And as for you, you knock off this royalty stuff right now or you are out of here.
We have had enough of these ungrateful plebeians. We will go to Egypt where we will be hailed as the queen we truly are.
Good idea!
Wow. Don't you think you were a little hard on Queenie, PH?
No one declares war on a foreign nation in my kitchen.
And now, back to the Uncle Jolly Potato Head Jolly Fun Show.
Don't stand up in the bathtub.
Look both ways before you cross the street.
Don't give a panther a back rub.
And never pick your feet. La 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 la.
Never swallow a guppy.
Avoid toxic waste like the plague.
Don't eat what comes out of a puppy. And don't kiss an elephant's leg. La 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 la. Oh no! Our test case is asleep. Oh, we gotta find something that giant 2-year-olds like, or our preschool show is gonna munch.
Oh, it is hopeless. Woe is us. We have fallen into the deepest bowels of despair.
Please don't say bowels. Makes me uncomfortable.
Oh, okay.
Can't you just smell the ancient mysteries, Your Highness?
Actually, this travel agency smells more like ancient sweat socks. Now, purchase our tickets to Egypt before the aroma overcomes our delicate royal sensibilities.
Okay.
Good afternoon, I'm Garth Clemson. Our top story tonight. Ancestors Are Us was indicted today on 7 million counts of fraud.
The company has falsely informed all of its customers that they are descendants of King Amenhotep of Egypt. One particularly stupid customer has gone so far as to declare war on Spain. On a lighter note, I have a mole shaped like the Mona Lisa.
More on that later.
I want my 10 pieces of gold back.
And now, back to the Uncle Jolly Potato Head Jolly Fun Show.
Look, Hammy, it's a balloon, amoeba.
Hammy, look, it's Bessie the happy cow.
Hello, I'm Bessie, the happy cow. Oink, mate, oink.
Moo, you fool, moo.
Don't tell me what to do. I could say oink if I want to.
Well, PH, I think it's time for the Jolly Fun Dance.
Yeah. Jolly Fun Dance, Jolly Fun Dance. Jolly, jolly, jolly. Fun, fun, fun. Jolly, jolly, jolly fun. Fun, jolly fun. Fun, jolly, jolly. Jolly, jolly fun. Hey, fun, jolly, fun, fun, jolly fun.
Oh boy, I'm getting out of here.
Hey, Kenny, come here, Kenny, come here. You wanna pet the tin can? Yeah, puppy car. Well, you got any ideas?
Yeah.
Besides running away and hiding under a rock?
No.
Queenie.
Look, I'm not good at apologies, so let's just pretend I groveled in the most humiliating way possible, okay?
Well,
Oh, please, let me back on the show. I'll play Chuckles the Funny Monkey. Please, just please, I'll do anything. What's that?
Huh?
Oh, it's a sugar cream pie as a peace offering. Oh, please.
Hey, I sense that we've both just arrived at the same brilliant conclusion.
Oui, oui, mon frère.
Welcome back to the show, Queenie.
Oh, thank you, PH. But wait a minute, I don't have to play Chuckles the Funny Monkey, do I?
No, I have something much more interesting in mind.
Oh, thank you. I'm just gonna get cleaned up.
Don't trouble yourself over there.
Cleaned up. Everybody ready?
Ready!
Looks like we got ourselves a show, baby.
Well, you may not be a queen, but at least you're getting plenty of sugar cream pies.
Ready for your first day of school, Hammy? Oh, good. Off you go, then. Play nice with the other kiddies. Don't eat any of them. Oh, Potato, that pie-in-the-face thing has really helped his disposition. I think he's ready to become a productive member of society.
Or a dangerous lunatic like you.
Precisely.
You know, the really great thing is that our fabulous TV bosses loved our preschool show. We're a hit, baby! Hey, Queenie, you know, that pie-in-the-face scene really saved our bacon. Hope you're not mad.
Nah. See, I have a policy. Don't get mad. Get even.
Who deserved it, baby? That's right, it's me.